All right, scalping gold, MNQ, MES, or it can be CFDs. It could be XAUUSD, NASDAQ, NAS. Here it is. First of all, you've got candles changing color. That's pretty cool. See that? Okay, red to green, green to red. 2-minute chart. But when I double click now, what I've done is I've included these indicators here. When you get a Confluence, train yourself to look for one particular setup. Just going to mark that up there. And I'm going to mark up that. Let's just go back. I'm going to mark up this one. Train yourself to look for one specific setup. And if you don't compromise, right, this will be very, very high probability. Don't compromise. Wait for 3 things to align. Each one of these indicators, there's 3 of them we're looking at the moment, has a red line or a red zone and a green zone. Okay, this one down in here, the red zone and the green zone. Right? So just keep an eye out for when you get these signals coming out of the red zone or coming out of the green zone. But the thing is, you need to see, if that's coming out of the red zone, you want to see the lines up in the red zone here, and you want to see the lines up in here, and you want to see this dark red color. That's telling you to get ready to go short. You see this dark red here? It's telling you to get ready. It's looking to turn around. All right. Now, the Nexus scalper, you might want to go in to the settings and scroll down, and you want to change the Confluence flash transparency. Let's go to 30 and have a look at the red and green down the bottom. There you go. Even 20. Right. Yeah, see the red and the green background? Okay, so let's do that. So this is telling you just get ready because it's overextended and it's looking like it might want to turn around there. Look, see? So this is gold. I'm going to go long based on, have a look at VWAP. Just watch out. Okay, we're trading up into our current open session VWAP. This is the purple and there's a blue line behind it. You can't see it because they're linked together. But if we mark up that's a VWAP. Let's just color that yellow. So you want to get above VWAP. Just do that. No, you can't see it. Yeah, because the purple's in front of it, right? Actually, send that to the front. So this is, and see this green coming in here? So you might want to buy gold. I'm going to buy gold. 1 minute. I'm just going to go out to a 30 and I'll throw a stop loss in underneath it. So it's a buy, so we need a sell stop. Buy, sell stop. Okay. All right. Let's see how we go. Open that up again. You can actually trade this on here, Tradeovate, but I'm trading 3 accounts and you can't do that from TradingView. I can only trade 1 at a time. So if we go to Tradeovate, go in here. So I'm long. There's my position. Open this up on Tradeovate. See this? I've got manage groups. You can go in there and I've actually got 3 accounts running. Okay, illicit trading. Back over here. So what I like about this is there's 3 things. It's not an A+ setup by any means. It's not. And that could do that, right? But what I like about it is we're starting to push up. We had a little green signal above here. The red W is just the break under the VWAP cluster. That's all. But I'm wanting to go counter trend on this based on this coming up. It's been in the green zone here for a while. We've been in the green zone here for a while. So it's due for some green candles in my opinion. All right. So I'm actually going against the trend here. The other thing that I like about it is this. We've had this big dive down and it's range bound through here. So, price action wise, I'm just thinking we've broken back up through the, we broke up and through here, see? And I'm thinking that might keep going. Anyway, have a look at the MNQ. Oh, that's made a move. I missed that. I nearly got involved in that back down in here and I hesitated. MES is the same. Yeah, it's only early. Right, let's open this up. I want to show you this. Look, the best signals, see back in here, just grab this and show you this. You want this, right? This is exactly what you want. Now, I'm jumping the gun with my gold trade. I'm making some assumptions, and that's where you take the risk. But the best setups are going to be when you get one of these coming off the trend channel. I'll show you what that is, and you can set them up. So go to the 3 dots. It's just that. It's just any reversal. That's all it is. Go once per bar. That'll repaint. It doesn't matter. I've already got it set up. Okay, so you get these signals here. That one, that was nice. That was nice. Okay, so that's coming off the trend channel. And the best signals are going to be if you get a combination of that. See this? These two indicators, well, 3 of them. You've got the green zone. You've got green and green. There it goes. Right? Here we don't have any of that. So that's kind of risky. You want to get in early. Back down in here after these, right? So if you are disciplined enough to wait for that setup, you're going to do really well. Right? Any of these would have worked out. Look, you got the red cross is coming off the trend channel, same signal as this blue dot. And if you've got this, and this is down in the green, and you've got the green zone, that's a trade. So just wait for that. Anything else, just stay out of it and wait for the confluence between these 3 indicators. That's all you got to do. There's a lot of information on the page, but if you just look for that, you'll do okay. So look, see through here. So train yourself to look for the 3 of these. Here it is again, right there. You got that, and that's in the green zone, and a dot. Up you go. So what you can do, you can just set up this trend channel to give you the dots. Add alert. That's it, just that. Any reversal create. And then when it fires, come into the chart and do you have the 3 of them all align? Yes or no? It's as simple as that. So this one here, we're coming out of the green zone under here. We're coming out of the green zone here, and we've got green here. It's a little bit delayed, but you've got that, and you're in the green zone. So now we just looking for this, and if you want to, you can wait for a green candle. This is flashing like these white candles. I'm okay with that, and it'll flash green and white until there's a little green flash there, right? If that holds, when we go to the next green, that's a green candle. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just running with this 2-minute chart. That's it. Keep it simple. All right, back in here looking at gold. So what I really like about this, I'm going to mark this up and show you this. You see the little dot down here? But we had a little bit of a stop run. Okay, that fired. That's coming off the trend channel. We have a up triangle here, trading up from the green zone here. We had that, and this is starting to shape up. So still early. Show you this. Bring it to the top. Okay, let's just see the change here. And this just moved up from the base with conviction. Okay, so that's what you want. All that back here, we had that. It's taken a while for it to play out, but that's okay. Just drop that. Now, you want to protect your position with this as well. I'll be looking to pull my stop loss to break even fairly quickly. Sometimes this thing can really move. For example, like when it took off here, if you got involved with that, you could pull your stop loss to break even very, very early. We're up around 45. Okay, so I'll just show you this. Like, you know, even if you got in back down in here, stop loss to break even, that was like 400, hit me $400. So I'm hoping that we get a similar move. So we're up around 50 ticks, $50. Okay, I'm hoping that this doesn't come back into my entry point. So what I'll do is pull my stop loss to break even and just hope that it pulls away. And that way you protect your account, because you just don't know whether this is a fake out, a shakeout, and then it's going to tank, right? So back over here, there's my stop. Just take it up, drop it in behind there. Going to go down to the 1 minute, and we'll just adjust the stop loss. Whoops, slightly in profit. Okay, that's fine. So come back here, and we're up what? Nice. This is risk free, no matter what happens. And I'm just hoping that we get a runner. The other thing too, oh yeah, we could go down to a 1 minute and we can actually exit the trade if you like. So if we see the little red cross up here, it's telling you it's overextending. See the red shaded zone? You know what? $90. So this red little red dot is coming from the trend channel. See that? So look, you know what? I'm a bit slow to the party. We're down 70. See how we go. Let's just hold it. If we get a white candle, see there's a dot. So I'm going to exit and come back in on the pullback. If it drops under 60, I'm out. Oh, there it goes. Exit 50. You know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to hold it. All right, let's just see how we go. But, up at 90, you could have just closed that and let that pullback come back in and then go again. You got the red. Okay, see how this is red here? All right, you want to consider whether you want to exit on that signal on the red here. It may or may not pull back, but it's a little bit of a pullback at the moment. It could hold, and this could run through. See how we're still trending up here? So it could, these lines could move into the zone. Right? It could just pull back slightly and then continue up, and these lines move up into the zone. That could hold through the zone for a while as well. So I might just hang in there for a bit. I did like that $90 thing, but yeah, got to pay attention to these things. What's happening here? See, that's pushing back down. See how it started to turn around here, and then you got that was up around $90 here, and it's pulling back. I'm probably inclined to close it, guys. Yeah, just take $60 out, exit 69. Look at that down the bottom, 67, 66. All right, I'll take that. Okay, 1 minute, 2 minute. That's starting to turn around here. Look, that red signal, right? It's starting to align. And what you can do is you could come down to the 1 minute and look for a red candle. So the red candle at alert, and it's trend shift bearish. I'm going to go once per bar, create. Okay, I'm ready for that. See, the previous that close. This is a really good level. Going to take out the drawing. All right, go out and you can use volume profile with this. Look at that. Okay, I'm ready to short this. So volume profile, I'm going to take it from this high and this low. Go from here, anchored. Okay, it's pushing up into the high of the value range. Take that one out. So up into here, this is fair value. So this is a strong support, resistance. I'm inclined to short that a bit early. Let's sell. Tradeovate gold. Sell market, MGC, and see how we go. I'll just throw in a sell buy stop. Just after quick money here. All right, at the high of the volume profile into this fair value range here. We'll see it drop back down in through this fair value gap. Yeah, it's pushing up. Just going to wait for it. Okay. I like the red signals. I like the fact that that's up in here. This should give us a red, orange triangle. See how we go. Okay, I'll be back. Right, now we're starting to see some movement here now with that 1 minute. Candles have turned white. The momentum is still favorable. Yeah, slightly up, but it's risky. That could be a pullback and it's going to rally, right? So I'm going to pull my stop loss to break even and just see if we get a bit out of it. Just want this to be risk-free. Down to the 1 minute chart. If it gets taken out, I don't mind. All right, so the stop loss is now 100% risk-free. Yeah, let it get taken out. And if it runs well, yeah, it's a bonus. So yeah, you want to mitigate your risk very quickly with gold, especially futures. It can get away on you really, really fast. So it either pushes off with momentum or it comes back and I get taken out and then I'll just call it a day. I'm up, 50 or 60, and another 20 or 30 would be up near 100, 80 to 100. So I don't mind that at all. Little red dot. Okay, the time to get short would have been back here. I'm a little bit slow, and we would have been up. Now we would have been up 78, 80 ticks, $80. And that's off that signal back in here, back further. Here we go. Okay, red candle's kicking in now. Don't you love it? Okay, getting a little bit of momentum. Now down through here, this would be support. The low value node here would be support. I'm inclined to take my money and run the $60. I got the orange down in here as well. Okay, so we got all the red signals. The orange one's just kicked in. I'm up, 50? So, yeah, it's $100 outcome today if I close that. Yeah, low value node here. Consider that as support. Look at the range. Let's just knock it on the head. Okay, come in here, exit 70. Look, nice. Don't be greedy, guys. Just take your money and run. Right, so today, $130. I'm good with that now. It's getting a little late. It's 11:20 a.m. I might just get ready for a bit of lunch. I'll be doing videos on this regularly, so yeah, hang in there and enjoy the ride. I mean, we've got a great system here. And I mean, even if you just go like green candle turns white, the first red candle, that worked, except for this one. So be careful. But you know, look for the candle color change, but it's got to match up with everything down in here. Anyway, with that, have a great day. Jump on board. It's only $29.95 a month to gain access to my mentorship, the indicators, shout me lunch, and you've got extraordinary value.